Welcome to Niji Spiral's English Shadowing. Today's shadowing is about Easter words. In this lesson, we will focus on religious and non-religious Easter words. Religious words will focus on the Christian holiday, celebrating the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Non-religious words will be about the Easter bunny and Easter eggs. In the end, I'll give you example sentences to help you with what we have learnt today. Audio will be played twice, slow and natural speed. After listening, please repeat after me. Let's get started. We will start with non-religious Easter words. During the Easter holiday, some believe the Easter bunny will come out and give eggs and candy to children. There are fun events held for children during the Easter holiday, like the Easter egg hunt and the Easter hat parade. You can use the following examples. Easter theme. Easter bunny. Easter hat parade. Easter egg. Easter egg hunt. Chocolate egg. Chocolate bunny. Chicken. Bunny. Rabbit. Hot cross bun. Easter bilby. Let's repeat again, but more faster. Easter theme. Easter bunny. Easter hat parade. Easter egg. Easter egg hunt. Chocolate egg. Chocolate bunny. Chicken. Bunny. Rabbit. Hot cross bun. Easter bilby. Next lesson is about religious words. During the Easter holiday, some people will go to the church and attend the church services. You can use the following examples. Jesus Christ. Church. Lent. Sacrifice. Crucifix. Tomb. Resurrection. Good Friday. Easter service. Let's repeat again, but more faster. Jesus Christ. Church. Lent. Sacrifice. Crucifix. Tomb. Resurrection. Good Friday. Easter service. Lastly, here are some useful sentences from both lessons. Let's find lots of eggs at the Easter hunt. How many eggs did you find? I like chocolate bunnies. Did you enjoy the Easter hat parade? Jesus resurrected 3 days later on Easter Sunday. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. don't forget to like and subscribe for this channel. You can also click on the link in the description to download the free transcript. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!